Hi, I'm Jeff Demers. Welcome to New England Compost. New England Compost is a state of Connecticut permitted compost facility. What makes Complete Compost a very unique compost in the local market here is the diversity that we put into it with our feedstocks, but it's the passion and the care that go into making it. This is what we do. We make compost and we make blended soils using Complete Compost. The difference between our compost and say a leaf compost is the diversity that goes into making this. It's just not turning the feedstocks, and then letting them sit. We have Complete Compost is approved for organic use, so we are constantly monitoring the temperatures. It's a living organism, and we're diligent about giving it the airflow it needs and the water it needs, because in the end, that's just going to make a better compost for everyone. With the age of our compost, with the diversity that we have in it, the biological activity that's in it, it's a very well-rounded, ready-to-use compost that if you want to amend a soil with it, you can do that. If you want to use it as a blended soil for making other soils, you can do that. We take extra measures to essentially give the consumer the best product they possibly can. And by having our compost approved for organic use by Bay State Organic Certifiers, it gives the customer one more reassurance that we're taking the necessary steps to give you a higher quality premium compost that you may not find anywhere else. What we've done is we've figured out a way to get Complete Compost to our consumer in a very easy, convenient way. We now put our compost in 1 cubic yard sling bag. The nice part with the bags is they have a duffel top on them, and that top can actually be secured so you can keep that contained, keeps the weather out for the time being. What we've done is we feel that we have eliminated a few problems that consumers have, and that's one is being home for a delivery. With our bags, you don't have to be home. You place a mark where you want the bags, and you don't need to have a tarp either on the ground and or covering the pile. The compost is self-contained. It takes up a very small footprint, but then what's really nice about them is you use it when you want. If you have a few minutes to do a little gardening here, open the bag up, take out what you want, and then close it, and then you can come back a day, 2, 3 days later if you want. The beauty of it is it's all self-contained, so it's such an easy and convenient method to get Complete Compost to you.